Hello techies, welcome to Java with Harry channel. Now today our topic is EBS snapshots. In the previous class, we had a conversation about the how to create EBS volumes, how to attach them to the EC2 instances. And there was a small problem in the EBS volume, like those EBS that EBS volume is if you create it, so that is specific to one availability zone if you create it, right? So if you want to use the same volume to the the different availability zone related instances, so it is not possible by default. But there is a possibility if you create snapshots. There is a concept in the AWS that is EBS snapshots. So these EBS snapshots, what we can do, we can create a snapshot from the EBS volume, and then we can copy that the snapshot to across availability zone or across region. We can do that. And also important things here in case of these EBS snapshots we can archive and we can reuse from whenever we wish. And also, if you delete by default the CBS snapshots, also there is a the recovery mechanism that is also there. We will go through the practicals. Let's without delay and go to the practicals. So this is the instance which we created earlier. So one instance is running, and anyway another instance I have terminated. What I can do, so I'm going to launch one more instance in the different time zone, availability zone. Like let's select this one and go to network tab and try to see which availability zone it is. It is South B, South 1B it is, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch one more instance in different availability zone to show snapshots. With the help of snapshots, we can use the same, whatever the EBS volume in different location. So what I gonna do, I gonna name it as instance snapshot. That is my instance name, and I'm going with the default one, default Amazon provided AMI, and then here the instance type, it's a free tier I'm going to use, and the key value pair, I'm going to select the EC2 key value pair. That's fine. And I'm going to edit it. I'm going to select the subnet as this time it was uh, we have created already AP South 1B. So I'm going to I'm going to take it as AP South 1C as a different availability zone here. And I think I'm going to use the existing security group. Previously it was created launch wizard one. That's fine. And the default storage it is added, and I think I'm going with the free tier one. Just click on launch. That's it, guys. No need to change anything. Just launching here. Yes, it's successfully launched. And click on the list of instances. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just reload it. I think it is also running. So I think it is initializing fine. But if you select this particular the newly created instance snapshot and go to the network tab and verify it, what is the availability zone here? That's fine, cool, right? So it is a different availability zone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the volume section, EBS volume section. So right now, uh, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create one more EBS volume. So general purpose, that's fine, and 2 gigabytes. And I'm going to select availability zone for AP South 1B. Fine. And just that's it, guys. So what I gonna do, I gonna create a volume. That's it. So this volume is created. The time zone is South 1B. That is the volume, right? So this is available now. Which one? That recently created the South 1B. It is the availability zone. So this is available now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach this volume. So I can get only one instance because the same South 1B availability zone having this instance, the previously running instance. Okay, that's fine. We know that how it is happening, right? So what I'm going to do, if I want to use the same EBS volume, right, in same EBS volume in different availability zone, what I gonna do, I gonna you know first a snapshot this one, select this particular one, and create a snapshot for that. So just to create the snapshot. So I think what I gonna do, I gonna give my snapshot is the name, just a description, and I think let me try to create the snapshot. So when I create a snapshot, and I think we have a snapshot section here. So let me find out snapshot. I think, yeah, here you can see, right? Snapshot version. Just to click on the new tab. Just, yes, one snapshot is created here. Okay. This snapshot, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this snapshot in different locations. So what I'm going to do, just from this snapshot, I'm going to create a volume. So create a volume from this snapshot. So if I create a volume from this snapshot, what it contains, like, so create a volume from this snapshot, the same one, the 2 GB earlier, which we selected for the snapshot creation, right? The same one here. So this time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select AP South 1. So this snapshot, we are creating the volume from the snapshot. Okay, so it means whatever the data which is available in the snapshot, sorry, in the EBS volume, the same data still remaining here, but only thing is I'm going to change the availability zone and then create the volume. So I have created the volume. This snapshot is still available. That's okay. But if I come back here and I can reload, if I reload it, so one more snapshot is created here. But this time, you see that South AP South 1C. Okay, so this time what I can do, I can go to the action and then attach the volume, and happily I can do that one. So 6048. So let's come back here and see 6048 is which is running here. So this is South 1C, right? Go to the network. If I go to the network section, you can see South 1C is the network section. South 1C, right? And also interesting thing, same data, same volume, right? So whatever the data which was there previously, so if you see the storage, so we can see two volumes are created attached to this particular one. So I think I need to reload this. Come on. Let's come back to storage, and you can see here two volumes should be attached here. 1 second, due to my, come on. Think I didn't save that one, might be. Let me verify. Yeah, I think I didn't create it or saved it. Yeah, I haven't attached. That's the reason. So let me click on the attached. So, oh, I need to select this one. So go to some device SDF attached to this. Whatever the device, the previously data stored, the same data will be attached here. Let's comes to the instance section, and then you can see the volumes are attached. Just reload this, or else I think we can go to previous tab and come back. I think it will work. Due to some system lag. Come on, still it is loading. Yeah, it's selected and come back to the storage. Ultimately, my target is to show you that multiple, EBS volumes are attached, but this time, you know, this volume is created from the snapshot. The second one, which I supposed to show you, like in case of this snapshot has been deleted. Okay, in case of this snapshot has been deleted, what we can do? So in this case, what we can do, we need to go with the recycle bin, and let's create a recycle bin, and what we can do, I'm going to create a retention policy here. So just click on the retention policy and my retention, any name we can give. Just the description is optional. I'm not interested to give. So resource type, what I'm going to EBS snapshot, I'm going to select and apply to all the resources. It's fine. And one day I have selected any 1 day period, right? 1 day time period. And by default, unlock. That's fine. It's okay by default unlock. And click on retentions. So I clicked it and it's been created on retention policy. So what I'm going to do when I delete this particular snapshot by mistake, example, let's go to the actions and delete the snapshot. So and delete it. Okay, it's gone here. We don't see this particular one. Let's go to the resource section and click the set resources, and you see the snapshot comes here. Because of this retention rules we have created, so that reason due to that, like the recycle bin it comes, and if I select this particular one, it is, and if I want to recover, just click the recover, and it is removed from the recycle bin, and again it is available in the snapshot section. Like this, what we can do, we can recover even deleted by mistake deleted snapshots as well. So overall thing is, by default EBS volumes is not available to multiple availability zones, but through the snapshots it is possible. We can copy the same data from one EBS volume data to another EBS volume uh, in a different availability zone with the help of snapshots. That's it, guys. We can meet in the next class. Thank you.